Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Android Auto for navigation, music, and hands-free calling in your vehicle, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and connect your smartphone. Step 1. Ensure your car is compatible with Android Auto. Most vehicles manufactured after 2016 support this feature through the infotainment system. Step 2. Download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store on your Android smartphone if it's not already installed. Step 3. Open the Android Auto app and grant all necessary permissions including location, microphone, contacts, and notifications for full functionality. Step 4. Start your car and turn on the infotainment display system. Step 5. Connect your smartphone to your car using a USB cable. Use the original cable that came with your phone for best results. Step 6. On your car's display, select Android Auto from the menu when prompted. The first connection may take a moment to establish. Step 7. Follow any on-screen instructions on both your phone and car display to complete the setup process. Step 8. Once connected, Android Auto will display on your car screen. You can now use voice commands, navigation, music apps, and make calls safely while driving. Some newer vehicles support wireless Android Auto. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.